Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financeable. Today in this video, let's learn about how to view the history of all the bets in Melbet. So let's get started. At first, let's get into Melbet app. So here it is, and make sure you are logged into it. Now we need to click on this history option over here in the bottom right. So let's tap on that, and here we can see there is no bet yet. And if you want to view certain time frame of bet, you need to click on this icon over here and click on select period, and you need to choose the date of start and select the date of end, and simply click on accept, and you'll be able to see all of the details here. And if you want the sale history, simply tap on this and you'll be able to see all of the sales history over here. So that was all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.